I'm truly honored to welcome all of you to the official residence of the Dominican Republic in Jamaica. Tonight marks a significant moment as we gather within the framework of the Dominican Republic's Roundtable Dinner to engage in a crucial conversation about the untapped potential of exporting to the Latin American countries and market.
Craig, I think you've really done a great job of moving from much closer to reality from the vision that you had. It's important, as I said when we started, to bring everybody around the table and to put out some of the success stories that may not have been shared before to show that it can be done. It's not if or maybe. In fact, it is being done. So the question is, why are you not doing it? So we could speak a million times about concepts of support and things of that nature, which I will come to, but the point is people have found a way. I think what we need to do is to model those things as you are trying to do and in your conference, and to put it out to a much wider sphere.
The information that was unusable to us is now usable because of Google machine learning and translate. Hence why it's now a better time to actually export. I've had a lot of conversations with many of people that don't speak English, and the first thing they said to me is that, but there's Google Translate. So they don't care. They're not afraid of that barrier. And I just want to remind you, Google Translate AI means that you can edit your videos, you can package your stuff, you can easily translate any product that you have in Jamaica into Spanish without paying that much money or a huge amount of consultants.
The language barrier is not real. If you think about how many of our businessmen they buy things in China and they interact with people every day in China, it's not real. My deepest relationships in business are my partners in Latin America. And then because of that relationship, we're constantly looking for ways to help each other out.
Register now. keys to latam.com.